Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today's video is sponsored by Home Chef. I'm so excited about finally trying a service like this. You guys know I'm a busy mom and I can use all the help I can get, especially when it comes to cooking. So lately, as I've been more busy, it's harder to come up with meals that my family will actually like. Home Chef is really easy to use. On the website, there's a variety of different meal options and you can customize it to suit your preference. The ingredients are already measured and packaged individually. All you have to do is follow the directions. I chose the salmon with miso butter and the steak strip marsala risotto. The food is packaged very well with insulation and ice packs. Nothing spilled. I was fully impressed. I received my box the evening before, so I put them in the fridge for the next day. So here we are back in my kitchen the following evening, and I'm going to make dinner for the kids and I. This meal was on my mind all day. I am genuinely so excited to cook a meal that's new and learn a few new methods as I go. I honestly don't do very much experimenting in the kitchen. I'm very basic, so I'm glad for a service like Home Chef. It adds a little bit of variety without much thought. The directions are plain and simple, easy to read and follow. My first step is to preheat my oven to 400 degrees, then thoroughly rinse produce and pat dry. Now that my produce is all clean, I'm going to go ahead and chop the green beans, the garlic, the lime, and the green onion. Now on a clean plate, I'm prepping the salmon. The meats are very well packaged. It's hard to open. I'd suggest piercing the packaging with a knife over the sink as I did because the liquid contents are very messy. All I'm using to season the salmon at this stage is 1 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Majority of the flavor comes from the miso butter, I think, and it's so good. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil to my way too small frying pan over medium heat. Once the surface is hot enough, I'll add in my salmon, flesh side down, and cook for 2 to 4 minutes before transferring into the oven. I struggle to keep my salmon together. Nothing new for me. I always break the salmon at the end or in the center. I was just hoping that it would all come together for an end result. In a baking pan, I'm using aluminum foil to line the bottom. This is for my fish. It's ready to go in the oven for 7 to 9 minutes. Those of you that watch my cleaning videos know I love to listen to music when I clean, and I also listen to music while I'm cooking. It just makes everything more enjoyable. My girls were at home, my son was out with his dad, and they kept asking, "Mommy, that smells so good, when can we eat?" And honestly, talking about it now, I'm hungry all over again. I'm ready to start my green beans, which only take a couple of minutes. To the olive oil, I've added minced garlic, almonds, and eventually switched pans, hoping it wouldn't stick, and pulled the salmon out just in time. I added 1/4 cup of water in the beans to create steam and left that to cook for 4 to 6 minutes. Moving on to my last step, preparing the miso butter that is going to go over the salmon. And girl, let me tell you, this right here is so good. I will for sure be making this again. This service is great for meal prep too, which you guys know I love to meal prep. And if you guys want to try Home Chef, I'll leave a direct link in my description, as well as a discount link for $30 off your first purchase using the code JessicaT30. So overall, my experience using Home Chef for the first time was great. I have no negatives. It offers variety. The meals don't take much time to make. Cleanup is simple and the food is delicious. That is it for this video. Here's my meal plated. I'm just gonna garnish it now. Thanks so much to Home Chef again for sponsoring my video and offering a discount code for my girls to try. If you like this video, leave it a thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in my next video.